I mentioned a few things here I am doing because I think this is a powerful strategy for a lot of people, even if you're not in my circumstance or a different circumstance. Like there's 3 sectors of people I'm going to right now and just getting as much information I can from. Here we go. So first one is like I'm going to everyone on my wealth team and going like, how are you winning for other people? How do you see me winning more from here? So like what strategy do you recommend at the moment? Do we need to change anything? Is it more of the same? Like I want to gather my team's opinion because like I've, like vetted my team very strongly here. I know they're very good at what they do. I take their recommendations very seriously. The second category of people I'll talk about is like your network. My network doesn't know the inner workings of my portfolio and business like my accountant does.
Correct.
So my accountant's opinion, I'm going to weight more heavily than, people I just know from here. But in the context of network, like I look at, well, how are people in my network winning? And I'll share the most interesting one. On the people in my network that I've spoken to, many of them have decided this is not a time to invest. They're actually reinvesting in their business rather than investing outside their business because their belief, and I'm not going to say is my belief, but their belief is not a good time for investing, great time for business. I want a stronger business. I'm seeing opportunities with team and the world changing. I can get far better returns in there. Now, not everyone's business may be true, but for the ones I'm talking to, it definitely is. Some are riding some big trends and I could see why they would make that judgment. And then the third one, I actually, and I'm nervous sharing this one, but I will. I've paid people to review my portfolio who are experts in different fields. So I've like paid a commercial property guy to review what I'm doing and make his recommendation. I've paid someone who's stronger in like development to review what I'm doing and make a recommendation and other assets as well. I won't go into all of them, but I'm like collating this data pool so I can just make a really well-informed decision about what potentially my next moves will be, which I will take responsibility for and not blame financial advisors. Like, I must admit, I absolutely love understanding how other people are making money or building wealth differently to me.
Yeah.
Like just through pure curiosity and fascination, I may not do any of it, but I'm just like, wow, like there's so many ways to do it. And I think it adds optionality to life. I think it builds a really good mindset of going like, there's always options to build wealth. There's always options to do things differently. I don't have to stay stuck in my ways. I think that's a great mindset to cultivate.
Hey, fellow business owner, if this topic and value-packed short video has resonated with you at all, and you want to dive deeper into being a full stack business owner, check out the full episode by clicking the link on your screen or in the description right now.